due to the unfortunate events of coronavirus. All educational institutes have been shut down. At this crucial time, we are available to provide affordable, accessible and interactive solutions for distance learning. Our goal is to provide an effective remote learning environment, which will work to empower your students towards their education. What is the key for success to implement virtual classrooms? Change is always a difficult task for most, and for institutes it is crucial to adopt virtual classrooms. Institutes require an integrated platform where students can access all digital content with a single click. At this time, you don't want students and teachers to be confused and frustrated to adopt to multiple softwares and logins. Empower your organization with a centralized solution. Upload content, assignments, quizzes, attendance, and a virtual classroom with a single click of a button. Book a free demo. Eduserv. Innovating education.